adore the full-size Ford Raptor. It's one of our most loved pickup trucks and in light of current circumstances. It depends on the guts of the F-150, which implies it's agreeable, solid and equipped for pulling pretty much anything an American family could ever need to move. Thing is, it's needless excess. Greater, badder, speedier, more grounded. Every single good thing, yet at times the best things are best experienced with some restraint. Enter the Ranger Raptor. We know it's coming, we simply don't know precisely when or what sort of changes it will brag over the current worldwide Ranger that we flew the distance to Australia to take for abroad and turn around the outback. Regardless, however, we anticipate that it will astound, and its one estimate littler impression will make it an appealing alternative for any individual who doesn't need a full-size pickup. Power will doubtlessly originate from sort kind of EcoBoost motor. A turbocharged four-chamber is conceivable, however we think the brilliant cash is on in any event the accessibility of a bigger 6 like the 2.7-liter EcoBoost that is as of now accessible in the bigger F-150 arrangement. A programmed transmission driving each of the four wheels is a certain thing, and however we don't know without a doubt a 10-speed program is a strong plausibility, since we know it'll dart up to Ford's present scope of motors and should fit in the Ranger undercarriage. Be that as it may, the powertrain is just piece of the Raptor determination. An amplified suspension framework with an arrangement of bespoke studs with something close to a foot of movement is additionally a vital part of the rough terrain pickup section. A major arrangement of substantial tires is additionally a beyond any doubt thing. The greater part of that will make for a more extensive position than road one-sided Ranger trucks, yet despite everything it'll be a substantially tidier bundle than the F-150 Raptor.